In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your membership from the account page. We'll walk through the exact path you need to follow so you can confidently find the cancellation option without getting lost along the way. Keep your app or browser open and follow along at a comfortable pace. First, click on Account. This is typically the profile or account icon you'll see on the main screen. It might look like a person's silhouette, your profile photo, or simply say Account in the navigation bar. Opening this area brings you to your personal hub where all profile, billing, and plan information is organized. Next, scroll all the way down. Many platforms group their billing and membership tools near the bottom of the account page, so don't worry if you don't see what you need right away. Use your mouse wheel or trackpad to keep going, and on mobile, just swipe until you reach the lower sections. When you reach the bottom, click on Subscriptions and Plans. This is where your current plan details live. On this page, you'll usually see your active membership, renewal date, plan tier, and billing information. You might also see options to upgrade, downgrade, or view your payment history. Take a quick moment to glance at the plan you're on so you know exactly what you're about to change. From here, you'll notice there are many options. While it can be tempting to explore, we're focused on cancellation. If you're comparing alternatives, you might see ways to switch plans or pause service, but keep your attention on the controls related to your current membership. After that, click on Settings in the upper right corner. Look for a gear icon or a button labeled Settings. This area often holds advanced controls and account-wide preferences, including membership management. Finally, scroll all the way down and click Cancel Membership. This option is commonly placed at the bottom to prevent accidental clicks, so make sure you've reached the end of the page. The wording might say Cancel Membership, End Membership, or something similar. Selecting it will begin the cancellation process for your current plan. You may see details about what happens next, such as when access will end or whether benefits continue until the end of your billing period. That's the full path. Account, scroll down, subscriptions and plans, settings at the top right, and then scroll down to cancel membership. Take your time on each screen, read any notices carefully, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the